Okay guys, this is what the AC adapter looks like now that it's finished. I took that piece from the old iMac computer, the AC adapter thing, and put it in the cardboard box here from an old 270. It's an old 270 gun shell box actually, it's just the right size. And I put an old helicopter propeller motor in there to keep everything cool. I used hot glue to make a little stand for it. You can kind of see it backs it out so it's not just like right up against, it just lets it stay open a little more and lets more air through to just have thin arms like that instead of like mounting it on the box and cutting a hole somewhere. And, I got a switch to turn the thing on from an old RC airplane thing. I can get it to stay in here. There. And of course I have the iMac cord that plugged into the back of the computer. Just plug that in. There's my charger. It's a very powerful charger. It's like 200 watts. Yeah. It's a great charger. I love it so far. It never overheats. Well, I haven't tested it, but I only charge my two 2S LiPos on it. But yeah. It's pretty sweet.